الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wa la tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah who is most beneficent and most merciful. I am Ms. Mahnoor, the English teacher from the Educator Farooq Glass campus. Class, in today's class we are going to discuss about the grammar topic, English grammar topic of class 1. So before starting our topic class, you have to revise the vowels first. Now class, maintain a page, write grammar on the header, video lesson and date. Look at here. Here are the letters. These are letters. These all are letters written on a board. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These all are the letters Z. Now class, look at the colored letter here. The letters which are colored. What letters are colored here? A. Now look at the letter E. Now look at the letters I, O. Look at the letters U. What are these letter class? These letters are vowel. These letters are vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Now separate the vowels down. Class, now write down the vowels. What are the vowels? A. This is A. E, O, U. These are the vowels I have written in color. Now, except these letters, the letters which are remaining are called consonant. What it is called? Consonant. For example, B, C, D. We are reading like B, K, D, G, H, J, K. These all letters are called consonant. So class, our today's grammar topic is related to these letters. How? We will discuss. Class, as you know about the vowels, now look at the question. Write the words which begin with vowel sound. Now look at the word. What is it? Umbrella. It is starting from vowel. So before vowel we put an. It is an umbrella. Now look at the second word, aeroplane. It is starting from A, aeroplane. So we will put here an aeroplane. Now look at the third word, ice cream. It is also starting from I. So we will write here an ice cream. Now octopus. It is also starting from O. So we will write here an octopus. Look at the next word, elephant. The elephant is starting from E. So we will write an here. An elephant. Last word, onion. Onion is also starting from O, vowel sound. So we will write here an onion. Now, as I told you about the consonant letter. Look at the question, write the words which begin with consonant. Except vowels, all the letters the remaining letters are called consonant. So I have written here the word, some words which is starting from consonant. You will think your word and you will write in a copy. Glass. Glass. It is starting from consonant letter and we will write here a glass, not an glass, because we use an before the word which is starting from vowel only. Kite. This is starting from consonant, so we will write here a kite. Boat. Boat. It is starting from B, so we will write a boat. Pencil. This is starting from consonant, a pencil. Ship. It is also starting from S. Ship. Consonant letter, so we will write a ship here. Bottle. It is also starting from B It is consonant. So we will write here a bottle. Class, these all are the letters are starting from consonant. So before the letter which is starting from consonant, we will put or we will write a before these letters, before these words. Class, as I told you about the words which start from vowels and the words which is starting from consonant, and we put a before starting the word consonant, and we put an before starting the word vowel sound. So in grammar, we say a and the are articles. There are three articles in grammar: a and the. These are articles. So today's our topic is article. Look at your class. A and an. A and an has the same meaning. What makes it different? We use it before consonant sound words. A, where we use a before consonant sound words. For example, as I told you, and the examples are here. A key. This is a singular noun, and it should be singular. This is single noun. Key. A pencil. Pencil is a singular noun. So we put a before singular noun, and it should be start from consonant. Now look at here, and. So as I told you, we put an before the word which starts from vowel. For example, an onion. Onion. Onion is starting from O. This is vowel. So we put an here. An onion. And it is also singular noun. It should be also singular. An onion. An egg. Egg. Egg is starting from vowel and it is singular noun also. So we put an before the word which is starting from vowel and it should be singular because a and n has the same meaning and we put it before singular noun. Now look at the last article, the. We use it for the specific noun. We use it for specific noun. For example, the book. Now class, look at here. This is singular noun. But the things we should remember in it, what? The noun may be singular or plural as well. So we put the before the noun, specific noun, and it can be singular or plural. Now, look at the example, the book. It is singular. The hospitals. This is plural. This is plural noun. And we put the before this noun. This is plural noun and we put the before specific noun. So class, these are the articles in grammar. Today's our topic is article. Now class, this is your TGT book, page number 17. Open page number 17. The topic is a and the. Write date here, 13/8/21. Now look at here. Here are the letters. As I told you on a board, these are the letters. Now look at the color letters. These are vowel. Write the letter printed in color here. A, E, I, O, U. These are the letters in color here. We have written these 5 letters are called vowels. Now exercise B, look at the words given below. These are the words. Now write the words beginning with vowels A, E, I, O, U in the box. In the box 1. This is box 1. Write the words that do not begin with vowel. That do not begin with vowel mean it should be start from consonant. In the box mark 2. This is box 2. So you will write here the word which is starting from vowel, and in this box you have to write the word which is not starting from vowel means it should be start from consonant. Class, now open page number 18. Now write date here 13/8/21. Look at the question C. Complete the naming words. Now blow the picture by filling in the blanks with the missing vowels. You have to put a vowel letter here to complete a word. What it is? It is a bat. So you will write a bat. To make it complete, you will put a vowel. What is it? This is cat. So you will put a vowel cat. A. What it is? It is a dog. Dog. You will put a vowel O. This is hat. You have to write here vowel hat. Same as it is, you will complete these all words by putting the vowel. And you know the vowels very well. A, E, I, O, U. Now class, come on the page number 19. Look at the page 19. Look at the exercise D. Fill in each blank with a or an. As I told you about the difference between a or an, where you have to put a and where you have to put an before starting the word which is starting from which begins with the consonant. You will write a dog. Apple, this is starting from vowel. You have to write here a apple or an apple. Yes, an apple, because it is starting from vowel. Ball, a ball, because it is consonant. Orange, an orange. Air, an air. Got, a got, because it is starting from consonant. Onion, an onion. So class, you will complete this exercise in your book. Class, this is your homework. Note down your homework. TGT, do page number 17, 18 and 19. I think class, it is clear that what you have to do on page number 17, 18 and 19. I hope you understand the lecture carefully, and if you have any confusion, we will meet soon inshallah. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.